Hi. And while I'm here debating this lot, I thought while I'm here I would show you the garage. Well, my storage, which is really one of the annoying things about this motorhome is the storage, because the access is terrible really for getting stuff in and out. Now we're going to show you what I keep in the storage bay, tools and things. Right, so I'll do that now. So this is it. We're at the back end of the van, if you can make it out. There's the front end of the van. This is the bedroom window, and this is my garage. I can't get back very far because I'm in storage and I've got the caravan behind me. So I open her up. Pick up with one hand. Right, this is my storage. This is what I keep. I tend to fill up with a watering can when I get on a site, rather than the hose pipe. Obviously when I first arrive from here, when out in the tank, I'll use the hose pipe, but after that, and there's my water bucket that I use. That's my triangle. I put that at the back of the van every time I go out. The triangle, when I go out, let people know that that's where I'm parked if I'm on a proper park. Things have got in a bit of disarray, yeah? They've put in the way. I've got a hacksaw there. I've got, this is for the French. If I go abroad, the connector for the hookups in France. I've got a bag here. I've got pegs and an hammer in there that I keep in there for pegging down the awning when I ever have the awning out. I'm going to have to put you down a minute. I've got that I use for cleaning. There's a bag full of cloths. I keep full of cloths. I've got 2 cables. This is a short cable. Sometimes I have to join these together if I get on a site where it's a long way from the hookup to join 2 together, so I carry 2. There they are. And this is a telescopic ladder. There. And I use that to get on the roof for cleaning and maintenance and one thing and another. There, that is my ramps, the dreaded and terrible ramps. I hate them. There, keep them in a bag. I'm always falling off them and damaging the van. Here is screws. I've got drill bits here. I've got a socket set here. I'll show you this. Full socket set there to do anything that goes wrong. whole array of screws and bits and bobs in there. Cleaning, polishing, wash and wax, silicone spray for spraying things to keep them lubricated. Obviously WD-40. Where would we be without WD-40? Right, okay, here. Pack of screws there. Okay, that's that. Right. Now then, there's another. You always need 3 ramps. That's a little one. That's just one little one there. You always need 3. Now this is where it gets bloody awkward. I've got a toolbox there. I have to reach right in. No! Really awkward getting stuff out of it. And don't ask me about lifting the bed up, because the bed is terrible to get out. It's to lift up and lift stuff out of the bed. So here we are. There we are, I've got it out. That's another toolbox there. And what have I got in here? Fuses, connectors, got my tester for testing the circuits, wire, that's lock de-icer, screwdrivers, wax, a wax stick for doing repairs, for catch anything on the cabinetry, more fuses, seal lubricant, got more screws. I've got another adapter here to plug a mains from the mains into the motorhome. Screws, tape, hammer, pliers. Even got another one here. One's a male and one's a female. Yeah. From an electric socket. So, and there's a load of cable ties, spanners down there. So all this stuff I keep. You never know what you might need and when you might need it. So that's that one. I haven't finished yet. Here we go. Another adventure into the back. Oh, you can't see. Come here. This is a terrible garage. You've got to be fit just to get the tools out. And this is, see what I've just been wrestling with. That there. I've got another hacksaw there. A brush for cleaning the fan on the boiler. Pincers. Various screwdrivers in there, sandpaper, more wax sticks for repairs. That's a bolt. We've got paint, spray paint in there for repairing that thing where when I come off at ramps and damage electric cutters for wiring, damn great wrench. It used to fit on the caravan. Did that, don't know even know if it'll fit this. And there for doing wiring jobs. There's spare bulbs. What's in there? Spare bulbs for the vehicle. Headlight bulbs, tail light bulbs and so on, so forth. So that's what's in here. So there, that's the lot, that lot there. I carry around with me for keeping us on the road. Ridiculous, isn't it? Well, that's all tidied away again now. So I've shown you the outside. I'll tell you what, we might as well do an inside tour while we're here. Just hold on a minute and we'll do that.